The Allera has kindly sent the geometric small vanity tray, a beautiful piece to add to your bathroom and or anywhere around the house. It is a very stylish and modern looking piece that is geometric in design, but with the brass and mirror it can also look quite traditional in other aspects of your house, so that's why it would be a very versatile piece to add to either a more modern looking home and or a more traditional styled home as well. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jess. If you're new, hi, welcome back. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. How gorgeous and precious is this vanity tray? It is absolutely perfect for organizing your beauty area, but it's also very versatile and it's a very stylish piece. The Allera is actually French for your go-to, so meaning they are providing you your go-to storage organization fixes. One is the small geometric tray, and I love it on my bench or in my bathroom. I also use it for prop photography on my Instagram, which I will be doing another video on this soon in the future because I'm really into product photography and props in general. This particular organization tray retails for $34.99. It is a well-priced item, I think, for the quality that it is. It's quite sturdy. The mirror is actually really nice. As you can see there, it reflects quite well. It's not one of those cheaper warped mirrors. It also cleans up really nicely and doesn't really collect that much dust. It's perfect for storing hair ties, keys, coins, perfume, skincare, anything that you want to put on display and just have look really pretty. You can put a couple of the little drink decanters that would look really pretty on a drink stand. That would look absolutely gorgeous in your lounge room, spare room, anything like that. It would be really pretty to add flowers like I have here. If you're into interior design and collecting little trinket trays, this is absolutely perfect with making gorgeous Christmas gifts because Christmas is just around the corner at the moment. And the shipping was actually really quick. Customer service was really lovely, and they said it was up to 6 weeks, but I got mine in under 2 weeks, or possibly 3 weeks, which I was really impressed by. The Allera caters for work organization, beauty, and bathroom vanity, but you can also use them all around your house in different needs and capacities, and they're just really stylish, affordable pieces.
Here we have a look at the Allera's website. It's very easy to navigate, and here's the trinket trays that I am showing you in this little video. They come up really pretty in different aspects of your home. I also love the fact that they do different brush holders, makeup bags. All are very stylish yet practical.
I am a huge sucker for anything brass, rose gold, anything that is effortlessly stylish and chic, because it just makes your home and or bathroom vanity look like it's got interior design without the clutter, and it's perfect just for storing everyday needs such as perfume, anything small that would fit and look really pretty, like hair ties, accessories. And it's a gorgeous piece to add a bit of ambience. You can use it on your coffee table. It's super pretty. The Allera caters for work organization, beauty, and bathroom vanity, and they're just really stylish, affordable pieces. And so I just wanted to say a big thank you to the Allera for partnering with me and for sponsoring this little video. They have been a really lovely company to work with. They have some great items. They've even started doing hair accessories at the moment too. So if you're wanting particularly girly hair accessories that are pearly and pretty, I'm going to insert some photos at the end of the video so that you can get some home decor inspo. And I do hope that you enjoyed this little video. Thanks guys.